Okay, you guys, so we forgot one step today was to go through what's called the grapevine. So if you have this piece of paper here, that grapevine, what is that? So we'll show this now. Is known to me as the natural drunken step. That I would sometimes, if I go in that direction, my steps would be something like this. So it's natural. Just by itself, the legs go that way. So we just introduced it here just to learn that this is a dance step, but it's also natural to go do this. It's the most natural thing. So you can do it your way, and if you do it for salsa, like you're like, ta-da, you're there, and then you do this style with the armpits, you move, da, 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 da. And we use it in classes. We go 6 steps, and then we go the other way. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, mambo, and 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, mambo, and 1. Okay? So just so you know that, so we forgot. And going through the list here, mambo first is the forward and back basic, and tick, and the tuck, and the cucaracha, we go to the side instead, tick, tuck, and then the back basic, we going use twist. It's bow and arrow sensation. Back into the mambo right and the mambo left. We skip it. We have side to side, single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, mambo. So, ladies' right turn is this. The lady turns there. The pizza turn is there. Pizza hold, and then becomes a turn. And the enchufa is this. Good. And we learn it as a piece of this combination. Good. And I think that's what the cross body lead, the CBL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or when I relax, lift up, so it becomes like under the bridge. And that's everything. Thank you.